Welcome to Black Sheep. Hello. We're here at Black Sheep Knitting today to talk about a new vest pattern that has just come out by Andrea Mowry. I'm using my yarn microphone today. So this is the flock vest. It is super cute. I'll hold it up. It's a really cute striped V-neck neck vest that can just be popped on over anything. So let me pop it on. So the vest can be worn buttoned. You can go ahead and unbutton it. You can wear it as a shirt without anything underneath if you're feeling really bold. It's very versatile. It's very soft. It's very cute. It's a good layering piece. So today we have a few yarn options. You could choose to do something really similar to what I did and use double Sunday. We have plenty of double Sunday in the shop, multiple color combinations. So if you're thinking you want a spring summer vest, we have spring summer colors. If you want like a more fall, autumny, wintry vest, we do have some fall colors too. So you can think about when you want to wear this vest. Line is also a great option for the vest. It's a worsted weight. I was able to get gauge with double Sunday. I think you can get gauge with line as well.
Which you could say is 20 stitches.
It's like 20, yeah. The gauge for the vest, I think, is like 21. So you think about a little bit like a pink black version. I am really into the greens, the blues, the whites. You could do this burnt orangey, a pink. Oh, it's spicy orange. Okay, spicy orange. Could do something like this. I mean, there's plenty of combinations you can choose from. So stop in the shop and we can help you come up with colors. I love putting different color combinations together to match your personality. So Line, we have a ton of this in the shop to choose from. And online. You can also go with something a little bit heavier like a Sami. This is a worsted weight. You can get gauge with this as well.
That's the Sami XL.
This is the Sami XL. Yep. The Sami DK or the Sami.
Just regular.
It's a little thinner. I would say you probably want to go with the Sami XL if you're going to use this cotton. Now again, ton of beautiful colors. You could do something like this again to match my vest. You see I'm leaning towards these colors. You could do pinks. We know that people in the shop love their pink combos. I'm sure you could do something like this too. That could be fun. Like these as a stripes, white as a base. That could be interesting. Okay, the beauty of working here is being able to just play with colors all day long. So there's tons of color combinations to choose from in lots of different yarns. If you want a wool option, a cotton option, or like a linen cotton blend option. So plenty of yarn in the shop. And if you have any questions or concerns about knitting stripes or carrying your yarn while knitting stripes or stripes in pattern or picking up stitches, we're here to help. So that's all I got for you today. New vest pattern. Lots of yarn in the shop. Anything else, Robin, before I go?
Did you say
workshops. So we love to teach. We love workshops here in the shop. So we are thinking of a couple different options. So steeking. We want to bring steeking back. I've gotten a lot of requests for steeking workshops. We'll do crochet steek, we'll do felted steek, and we'll do sewn steek, depending on what you have available at home.
What was that last one?
Sewn steek.
Oh,
Sewn steek. Yes, EWN with a sewing machine. We'll also do a button band workshop. I know a lot of folks have been asking for the 1-row buttonhole, the double knit button band, doing buttonholes in that. So we'll do a buttonhole workshop. And then whatever else you want to learn. So put it in the comments. Send us an email, call the shop, drop by, let us know what you want to learn, and we'll go ahead and teach you. Okay, now for real. I am done for the day. Stop by, shop online. We're here for you. Hey, thank you.
Bye.